Imagine handing a stack of envelopes to your spectator. With your back turned and under test conditions, they select any envelope they want. They then place any card inside of that envelope. They seal the envelope, trapping that card, making sure nobody could peek inside. They can even shuffle all the envelopes together to make sure nobody knows where their card is. They place all the envelopes on the table. Yet the moment you turn around, you immediately know which envelope holds their card. There's no need to touch it. There's no fancy electronics. And it can all be performed under test conditions. X-ray vision is no longer fiction, it's gamma. Gamma is not a peek envelope. It's more like your own personal GPS system guiding you directly to your spectators' hidden information. Here, I'm feeling something here, but before we look here, let's look at the rest. Nothing here, no, and no, okay. All right, now just hold your hand in front of mine. Visualize the color, seven of diamonds. Look.
Oh my God! No way!
Now combine gamma with the principles taught in the extensive instructions, and the routines you can perform with this are virtually limitless. Now remember, you could have gone on any blind date with any one of these actresses, but you chose which one?
Margot Robbie.
And look what I wrote. Forming say, oh, he is the killer, but he has his murder weapon always with him. For the first time, what is the card that is in your head?
Queen of Hearts.
There's only one card. One card only. The Queen of Hearts. Yet you had 5 chances. This is the one you gave me, and so then the money stays with me. And one of the most unique ESP predictions we've ever seen has now in your hands transformed into You start with 5 envelopes, each with a different ESP symbol. Then, any playing card is selected. With your back turned, they hide their card inside any envelope. You then show 5 ESP cards and place it in their hands. Actually, can we do this with somebody? Because maybe it'll be better. Can you hold your hand? You do know where it is, right?
Yes.
Okay, and hold it tight, and just bring it over. And now here, now here, now here. Okay, something strange. For some reason, you hesitated when I went here. And this is strange because when there's hesitation, something strange happens in your cards. Now look. Watch, one of them, hopefully yours, where it's in, turned upside down in your hands. Oh, there's one. There it is. Now, did the right one turn over? The card with your thought of symbol now magically turns face down. Now, here's the strange thing. Because you were touching it and you knew what card it was, I don't want to touch that, but what used to be the little squiggly line has now in your hands transformed into
That was a squiggle.
But the moment you tapped it, it's almost like that one turned over. Not only did it turn over at the start, because it's no longer here, but it also became. There's nothing to find. There's nothing to see. You also didn't put it here. Not here. Okay, it's there. Are you thinking of the card? The Jack of Spades. The Jack of Spades. Is that the one you're thinking of?
What the hell? Yeah.
The envelopes can even be examined. Check the envelope, make sure there's no hidden compartment, or it is exactly what it is.
Bro, that shit was crazy, bro. The craziest thing I've ever seen in my life.
The secret is so devious, you would swear it has hidden electronics.
No way! How?
And there it is, the sun.
Ooh, I got chills.
The cards were mixed under the table. You chose the 6 of clubs.
What?
This is Gamma by Nikolas Mavresis and David Jonathan.